Welcome to the world of PHP Regular Expressions. In this video, we'll explore advanced pattern matching and text processing techniques using regular expressions, often called regex, in PHP. Regular expressions are powerful tools for searching, manipulating, and validating text based on defined patterns. We're going to explore the functions preg_match_all, preg_replace, and techniques for using complex patterns. Let's begin with the preg_match_all function. This function is used to perform a global regular expression match, which means it searches for all occurrences of a pattern within a string. Here's the syntax. Preg_match_all takes 5 parameters. The first is $pattern, which is the regular expression pattern to search for. The second is $subject, which is the input string to search within. The third is $matches, which is a variable where all the matches will be stored as an array. The fourth is $flags equals 0, which is an optional parameter to modify the matching behavior. The last is $offset equals 0, which is an optional parameter to specify the starting position for the search. The purpose of this function is to find all instances that match your regular expression in a given string, making it invaluable for tasks like parsing logs or extracting data. Let's look at a practical example of using preg_match_all. The goal here is to find all email addresses within a given text. On the left, we have the PHP code. We start with a text string that contains 2 email addresses, john@example.com and admin@site.org. The regular expression pattern that is /west / dash close bracket plus at symbol bracket west / dash close bracket plus / w plus / is designed to match email addresses. It looks for a sequence of alphanumeric characters, periods, or hyphens, followed by an @ symbol, then another sequence of alphanumeric characters, periods, or hyphens, and finally a dot followed by more alphanumeric characters. We call preg_match_all with the pattern and the text and store the results in the $matches array. Then we use print_r to display the first element of the matches array, which contains all the full matches. On the right side, you can see the output. The array contains the 2 email addresses that were found in the text. This example demonstrates how preg_match_all can be used to extract specific pieces of information from a larger body of text. Next, let's explore the preg_replace function. This function performs a regular expression search and replace, allowing you to replace parts of a string that match a pattern with a replacement string. Here's the syntax. Preg_replace takes 5 parameters. The first is $pattern, which is the regular expression pattern to search for. The second is $replacement, which is the string to replace the matched pattern with. The third is $subject, which is the input string on which to perform the replacement. The fourth is $limit equals -1, which is an optional parameter that specifies the maximum number of replacements to perform. The fifth is $count equals null, which is an optional parameter to store the number of replacements that were actually performed. The purpose of preg_replace is to find matches to a regular expression and replace them, making it useful for tasks like reformatting text, sanitizing input, or modifying code. Let's see preg_replace in action with an example of formatting a phone number. On the left, you'll see the PHP code. We start with a phone number as a string, for example 12345678990. The regular expression pattern /d curly bracket 3 close bracket parenthesis /d curly bracket 3 close bracket parenthesis /d curly bracket 4 close bracket parenthesis / is designed to capture 3 groups of digits: the first 3 digits, the next 3 digits, and the final 4 digits. The $replacement variable contains the new format we want to apply, which is an open parenthesis, then the first captured group, which is $1 close parenthesis space $2-$3. We call preg_replace with the pattern, the replacement, and the phone number. The result is stored in the $formatted variable, which is then printed. On the right, you see the output. The phone number has been successfully formatted as open parenthesis, 123, close parenthesis, space 456-7890. This shows how preg_replace can transform data to fit a desired format. Now let's dive into some advanced regular expression patterns. These techniques allow for more precise and powerful pattern matching. We will explore Lookahead, Lookbehind, named groups and non-capturing groups. Lookahead. The pattern /password parenthesis question mark equals */d close parenthesis slash matches the word password only if it's followed by a digit somewhere in the string. Lookbehind. The pattern /parenthesis question mark less than equals $$ close parenthesis \d plus slash matches a sequence of digits only if they are preceded by a $sign. Named groups. The pattern /parenthesis question mark p less than year greater than \d curly bracket 4 close bracket parenthesis dash parenthesis question mark p less than month greater than \d curly bracket 2 close bracket parenthesis slash captures groups with meaningful names, in this case year and month, making it easier to reference the captured values. Non-capturing groups. The pattern /parenthesis question mark $WW West / close parenthesis question mark example \com/ groups parts of the pattern without capturing them for back references, which can simplify the output and improve performance. Mastering these advanced patterns will greatly enhance your ability to work with complex text structures. Let's put these advanced regex patterns to work with an example of URL validation using named groups. On the left, we have the PHP code. We start with a sample URL, such as https://www.example.com/path. The regular expression pattern uses named groups to capture different parts of the URL. The first part is parenthesis question mark p less than protocol greater than https question mark close parenthesis //. The second part is parenthesis question mark p less than domain greater than bracket west / dash close bracket plus close parenthesis. The third part is parenthesis question mark p less than path greater than / close parenthesis. The X flag at the end allows us to use whitespace and comments in the pattern for better readability. We use preg_match to match the pattern against the URL and store the results in the $matches array. We then use print_r to display the matches. On the right, you'll see the output. The array contains the named groups, protocol, domain, and path, along with their corresponding values extracted from the URL. This example demonstrates how named groups can make it easier to work with complex patterns and extract specific parts of the matched text. Finally, let's cover some best practices to ensure your regular expressions are efficient and effective. Use anchors. Start your patterns with a caret symbol, which means start of string, and end with a $ symbol, which means end of string, for precise matching. This prevents partial matches and improves performance. Avoid backtracking. Use atomic groups, which is parenthesis greater than, and possessive quantifiers, which is plus symbol, to prevent the regex engine from trying unnecessary alternatives, which can significantly speed up execution. Compile once. Store complex patterns in variables and reuse them instead of redefining them each time. This reduces overhead by compiling the pattern only once. Test thoroughly. Validate your patterns with a variety of inputs, including edge cases and large datasets, to ensure they work correctly in all situations. By following these best practices, you can write more efficient, reliable, and maintainable regular expressions in PHP. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.